What's up, guys? Today, I'm just gonna be joining my friends, trolling them, and if they unfriend me, I'm friendless. Anyways, before we get started, I want to make a huge shout out to 3 people. The first one is Sora. Thank you so much for watching all my videos, and I seriously mean it. The second is Ambush VR. Again, thank you, honestly. The third, and not least, is drumroll please. Moo! She has just supported me further away. Oh, Bobby. And anyways, yeah. But honestly, huge thank you to Sora. He's been one of my top people. And yeah, if you want, guys, if you want to go in a code with me, you need to be English time. I'd say 3 o'clock. I will always be on Tuesdays, Wednesdays. I'll always be in Animal Company in code KSS12. And on GTAG, Thursdays and Fridays, I'll be on KSS12. And any other game, I'll be on the weekend. So, yeah, thanks. Let's get into it. Let me put these away. More. Do these just not work anymore? Like, the morning sun. Like, who needs an RPG when you can quietly... Oh yeah, look at my money. You can quite literally just buy one. Boom! Anyways, guys, sorry. Let's get into it. So who should I join first? Ramp on. Oh, arena right there. Let's go to this friend first. I really hope they're not in a pub. Yeah, they're in a pub. Ramp on. Morning time. Is that flipping? Will he fall? Is it full? Guys, I guess we're doing another video. We'll just see what codes actually have good things in them. Look at this tiny sticker.
The moon.
Exterminate.
Please.
Money talks. Money talks. Money talks. I want you.
Who are you? Right here. Who are you? I'm right here, bloody bitch.
Whoa.
Join me. You watch me.
Watch me now.
Wait, Stacy, stay. Wait. Get out.
Want me whip? Want me nay. Whoa. I'll take
Modders? Alright, bye.
Any modders, guys? Any modders? I heard this one
Want some
code.
free stuff, guys? Want some free stuff?
I got you. I do.
Here, okay.
Yay.
I heard this code and gives you free stuff. It's like money too, or there's just a load of modders. Look at this.
Why do I look like this? What color am I
I don't
right
even need
now?
the money, but I'll
look.
take it.
Oh my.
What
bro.
color?
whoever's
What
bombing.
code is
I'm at
this?
4
Like,
mil. 18
Money
million.
too.
I'm at 11 mil.
I'll take.
No, I'm on my game. Everyone, what code is this?
Make sure you really big pile.
Yeah. Listen,
Yeah, I am the one.
I'm very sorry.
Everyone,
I'm
sell as
cutting
many
this short,
backpacks
right?
as you can.
But hold on.
That was me.
Bro, he's selling everything.
Where is he?
Starting to become less laggy and everything.
Can you all buy me note shredders, please? Can somebody buy me a note shredder?
Poof. Anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up. Listen, I will make part 2. Calm down. And if you get this to 20k views, I hope someone will buy me one of these because I'm very poor. Anyways, guys, goodbye. Thank you.